How to solve 5 power x plus 25 power x is equal to 125 power x. Find the value of x. So we have 5 power x plus 25 power x is equal to 125 power x. Now we divided by 125 power x in both sides. So divided by 125 power x divided by 125 power x divided by 125 power x. Now we see this 125 power x, this 125 power x will be cancelled. So here on, here on. Now from here we see x same power but different base. So remember this formula, a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. That means n same power but different base. So according to this exponential rule, we can write here 5 over 125, then bracket common power x plus again x same power but different base. So according to this formula, we can write here 25 over 125, then bracket common power x is equal to 1 divided by 1, that means it will be 1. Now 5 divided by 5, that means it will be 1. 125 divided by 5, that means it will be 25. Then here 25 divided by 25, that means it will be 1. 125 divided by 25, that means it will be 5. So we have 1 over 25, then bracket power of x plus 1 over 5, then bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now 1 by 25 can be written as 1 by 5 bracket power 2. 1 square is same as 1 over 5 square is same as 25. Then first bracket, this first bracket can be written as second bracket, then power of x plus 1 by 5 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now here we can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule, we can write here 1 by 5 bracket power x, then second bracket power of 2, then plus 1 by 5 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now we see 1 by 5 bracket power x, 1 by 5 bracket power x, both term is same. So let 1 by 5 bracket power x is substituted by y. So our equation will be y square plus y, then is equal to 1. Now we can write here y square plus y, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here you can apply quadratic formula. So you can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, then b will be equal to 1, after that c will be equal to minus 1. Now we can write here y will be equal to minus b, that means 1, then plus or minus a square root of b square, that means it will be 1 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means negative 1. So it will be bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now we can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 square is same as 1, then minus times minus, that means it will be plus, then 4 times 1 times 1, that means it will be 4, then divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now I can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means it will be 5, then divided by 2. Now we see here two cases, so we can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2, or y is equal to minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. But remember that y, that means let 1 by 5 bracket power x is substituted by y. So y, that means it will be 1 by 5 bracket power x. So y, that means 1 by 5 bracket power x is equal to plus a square root of 5, that means a square root of 5, then minus 1 divided by 2, or y, that means 1 by 5 bracket power x. So 1 by 5 bracket power x is equal to minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we see 1 by 5 bracket power any number is always positive, but minus 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we apply log in both sides. So you can write here log of 1 by 5 bracket power x is equal to log of a square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now here you can apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. That means this power r move to the base. So according to this rule, we can compare here this power x will move to the base. So you can write here x log 1 by 5 is equal to log of square root of 5 square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. Now we need the value of x, so we divided by log of 1 by 5 in both sides. So divided by log of 1 by 5 divided by log of 1 by 5. Now we see this log of 1 by 5, this log of 1 by 5 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to, here we can apply this formula, log a divided by log b is equal to log a base b. So according to this formula, this divided by this, that means it will be log of square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, then base of 1 by 5. So this is the value of x. So this is our final.
How to solve a to the power 164 plus a to the power 164 is equal to what? At first we take common a to the power 164, first bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now a to the power 164, that means is same as 2 to the power 3 bracket power 164 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 3 times 164 is that means 492 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 to same base but different form, so we can write it 2 to the power 492 plus 1, that means 493. So 2 to the power 493 is the correct answer.